Okay, I'm gonna show you what I did to route my GPS sensor. Basically, if you gently pry this speaker cover, you'll see that there's clips right here. There's nothing, no screws around. So I pried all five, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 out, and so this cover just comes right out. And so I had the sensor, which I started from out here, and I'm pretty much placing the sensor here. I'm gonna hide it. I like that hidden look. If I'm not getting signal, then maybe I'll take it out and put it on top of the dash, but for now I'm gonna just hide it underneath one of these little holes right here, and hopefully I'll get some signal. And from there you'll see I routed the wires underneath the speaker right here. There's plenty of space to route a wire under beside the speaker, because there's holes that lead straight into the vent area. And as you can see right here, this is my GPS wire. I pretty much pulled it from underneath the speaker, routed it around the vent right here, and pretty much from there I hit some excess cables right here. So it was really long, because I'm guessing they give you a lot of length for any type of car. But from here, this wire is pretty much good to go. It's here's the connector that I plug into my my Kenwood head unit.